Welcome back. We took a little bit of a hiatus, but as you can see, the garage has done a little bit more than what you would have expected. But before we get to epoxy, we're going to end up, I want to talk a little bit about the floor that we did and the jointless floor. A lot of people are starting to do this, and one of the reasons I wanted to do it is because I didn't want to put control joints in and then have the epoxy people come in and have to fill them joints, and then it can cause some issues down the line. It'd be nice if I just had one nice, smooth, clean floor, and that's exactly what we got. Now, when you do this, you should always use a structural fiber. Some people will go with 3 pounds per cubic yard. I kind of wanted to stretch the limits because I wanted to see how it would finish. One of the things I'm always concerned about is when the concrete finishers have that much fiber in, what happens? Does it ball up? Does it drag with the trowel? Didn't know. But what we did here, just to give you an example of what this looks like, right here are structural fibers. And this is how much I put in to a cubic yard. So that's a fair amount of fiber for a cubic yard of concrete. The thing that amazed me when we did this is it didn't bother the finishers at all. I mean, they didn't have a problem with it. Now, when we first finished the concrete, you could see some of the fibers on the surface, but if you look at the floor now, they're gone. They're all worn off or they've been swept up or whatever, but very, very happy with the results. Not one crack in this floor, not one. So I'm kind of weighing the odds of whether I want to try to do this out on the driveway. We'll let you know when spring comes, but as far as interior flat work, I highly recommend just going fibers, no rebar, no mesh, no anything. And on top of it, what we had is with the heated floor, with the radiant heat, we didn't want to put any iron in there anyway, any kind of metal. So perfect solution for it. The heated floors worked out great. We had to tweak the system a little bit. We'll go into detail on that a little later because I'm just amazed at how small the on-demand unit is for heating this entire building. So thanks for the time, and we're getting ready right now. We're gonna put some epoxy on the floor, and that'll be the next thing we show you. Thank you.